we are in the high Muslim populated country, not easy to maintain famous Hindu temple. Government is support. Bhagavan also support. People also support. This land originally government land. Now government have given this land to the temple management, and government is giving fund every year money for renovation, maintenance, cleaning, everything. So government make this place as a tourist destination, so international tourist destination. Okay, and there is a festival for this Kartik Mandir. There is one grand festival, 1 week celebration. It's called Thaipusam. Thaipusam is the great festival for Kartik Swami. All over the world they celebrate this. This Thaipusam will be fall on end of January or beginning of February. Do you know Pongal? Do you know Sankranti?
Yeah.
So Sankranti is January. After Sankranti, the full moon is the prayers. So all the Kartik Swami prayers is in the full moon, Purnama. Okay, so Purnima, correct? Purnima. The first celebration will be on the Purnima on the after Sankranti. So 2 million people will gather in the temple. Okay, 2 million, 20 lakhs of people will come to the temple. Okay, so 2-kilometer radius of these roads will be closed. No private cars, only government bus and government train. Okay, so private cars all parking 2 kilometers away, people walk. Because 2 million people, too crowded. Okay, and then 2 days before the festival, there will be a chariot procession. Ratha. What do you call chariot? Rath. Golden Rath procession. From Kuala Lumpur city, there will be a golden chariot coming to Batuk, 25 kilometers. Okay, so the chariot will leave from the mother temple, the mother Mada temple in Kuala Lumpur city center near the China market. So from there it will come 25 kilometers by road. No motor, no engine. People pull the chariot. Okay, so 16 hours journey. 12 midnight they come out from the temple, reach Batuk temple 5 o'clock PM. So 20,000 of people will walk together. People will chanting bhajan, holy songs, holy dance. Okay, in between there will be a lot of food, nasta, dinner, lunch. Everything will be given by roadside. Okay, pani puri, buttermilk, alwa, laddu, everything will be given. So this will be given by Chinese, not Indians, Chinese. Okay, when on the way from the city to the temple, a lot of Chinese residents and also a lot of Chinese factories. So they will break coconut on the roadside. 1,008 coconut, 10,008 coconuts on the chariot procession. During the chariot procession, there will be a puja, archana, abhishek, everything on the roadside. Okay, so once the chariot reach Murugan, Subramania Swami Kartik temple, and then festival start. So lakhs of people will come. Million liter of milk will be abhishek to Kartik Swami. The famous Kartik Swami ceremony is shave the head and then abhishek, milk abhishek. So this is the kind of prayers. So very grand festival. For Thaipusam. Look, you know Thaipusam? Yeah. He been here, you know, this is a grand festival. Okay, so then the place we park the bus and the other side car park, it will be a grand bazaar. All the Indian products will be there. 2 weeks, no car enter. All the parking is